Menteri Sarkar Jela ubah kami ikatanat food civil supply ubah coming one omban haka arpau terik risau ula ong ba pdiang sobha ya ka jingwan jong kalinti rel hapo Jaintia hills namar kanikan wan ra shibun ki pynmyntoi ya ki paidbah. Haba keren syakilat pathai kubor ubah omban ubah deiru unong mi khmat kaseng NPP naraliang hawes Jaintia hills ula ong ngapdiang sobha ya ka jingwan kalinti rel ngalayo i ki togiri ki badon ya ki rel haka ba ki paidbah ki yo shibun ki pynmyntoi. Ula ong hakini ki khendiat por baladem ngalale Shagaro Hills ban penher ya kalama hakas ngilai lo jongkari. Hadin kani ngalale station rel hamen di pathar bat ngalayo i ki breu hakani ke jaka kilayo shibun ki pynmyntoi namar bandai na bendi pathar Shagwati ki nong kamai taksi ki jushem arsba prapo shikli. Henry lang bakarel kalong tang lai potingka. Ki jumi na bendi pathar hakapor new bejemen stem bat wan pai par hakapor new bejejanmien. Ki nong rep ki lakit kumbah ar bat lai teliki kriya haringkat ki marrem kentup ki so ki bapenmi bandi Shagwati bat ki layo nong bha. Wat ki mar bamru ngalakeli hakito ki benai nailar naki dukan bakador jong ukau hare subel para kalong lai puai tingka kat bahang ni asyelong kalakot sapu sau tingka kat nosyu kalaya per. Nalor kata uni menteri ula ong balada kalinti rel kawan ki paidbah ka rilum Jaintia ru kinyo nong shibun. Ngidon ru shibun ba ki marpo kendo kum umau syun udewyong ya ki bangila penkit da ki trok ka basyong dor hadu ar hajar tingka shiton. Ngatharai ladangi penkit da kalinti rel kan salong san spa tingka shiton bat khat san spa tingka kan rung no syapla ula benram. Haba kentaj ban kentho ya ka jing ai pdeng ka jing persya jong ki seng bhalang banwan ra ya kalinti rel ula ong badai namar ka jing syapting ya ka jing rung kerthep ki mender. Ka sarkar kala dep ban menjur ya ka official resolution bakarpat ya ka sarkar pedeng ban pentre kamno ya ka inner line permit ILP hapo Meghalaya. Ula ong syuk bamenta ka rai haka baya dei bat kani ka phang ka syong haka sarkar pedeng bat ai ba ka sarkar pedeng kan menjur halor kani na kaliang ka sarkar Jela dang syan kala rai ban wat ya kilat lynti ki bala ban pen urlong ya ka jingwan ra lynti rel ha East Jaintia Hills district.
Side, I welcome the railway. I have seen the state, the country, they have the railway. The people, they get a lot of benefit from it. Suppose, last time I went to Garo Hills to hoisting the flag on the Independence Day. After hoisting the flag, I went to the railway station in Mendip. I have seen the people of that area, they get a lot of profit. Because to travel from Mendipata to Gorti, taxi driver, they used to ask 280 per head. The train only 30 rupees. They start from Mendipata, from Risu, 7 o'clock, they'll turn back 7 o'clock in the evening. Small farmer, they carry maybe one basket, two basket of fruit, any production from there, they can sell to the Gorti. They get a lot of profit carrying that. Even in the essential commodities also. Suppose rice in Risu, we get 30 rupees that time. I inquired that time. In the month of August, I inquired from the shop, what is the price of this? Rice in Risu is 31 rupees. Here in Shillong is 44 rupees. That much is the difference. To Jaintia Hills, I think a lot of people, they will get a job, maybe indirectly. Transportation, so many we have. So many resources in Jaintia, like limestone, like gold, no? The transport by truck is almost 2,000 per ton. I think if you transport by railway, maybe 500 per ton, that 1,500 will come to your pocket, no?